winter wind. Mourn for the dead, for the gold, for the sin. Ohh-aye. They try to break our backs, but they can't bury Ballarat. They came with guns at morning light, redcoats marching faces tight. We built a wall with picks and pride. They fired first and men they died. The Southern Cross flew clear and high, a miner's flag against the lie. We fought with heart, not soldiers' pay, and freedom bled at break of day. Rise again, Ballarat, strike the drum and wear your hat. They took our gold, they took our kin, but not the fire that burns within. Ohh-hey, ah-yeah. We stood for all who won't bow down in this red dirt, a rebel's crown. From every land the diggers came with calloused hands and burning flame. They asked for justice, not a throne, just leave to live and mind their own. But Hotham's men with polished boots turned rifle ends on worn-out suits. Raid sent fear through miners' tents, and law became a consequence. Edward thrown and shot in the chest, Layla rose though wounded and pressed. James Brown never made it home, but freedom calls through blood and bone. Rise again, Ballarat, let the bell ring where brave men sat. We mourn the loss on either side, but truth was with the men who died. They fell to ground, their souls went free, their blood now feeds democracy. It wasn't just a miners' war, it was the voice of rich and poor. They taxed the breath, they closed the gate, then scolded those who questioned fate. But mark me well, you sons of soil, no southern heart is fit for toil. Beneath the heel of silent kings, we carry fire the rifle brings. They wrote defeat in paper lines, while we wrote songs in butchered rhymes. And though the stockade cracked and failed, the spirit rose, the story sailed. Now every time the rain rolls in and fog hangs low on rebel skin, we raise a glass to those who fell and dare to ring the southern bell. Rise again, Ballarat, let the washboard clap, let the banjo chat. For those who stood when all seemed lost, paid the price and paid the cost. Hey, hey, ho, march, march on. We lost the day but claimed the right to walk with truth into the night. Laid them down in stony clay, but their spirit walks in us today. Oh, roll on, you winter wind, sing for the brave who didn't give in.